For the removal, we recommend you to have the gel polish remover wraps, the La Zebra nail file, the remover tool, and the removal clips. Start by filing the surface of your gel manicure to remove the top layer. Be sure to cover the entire surface so that all parts of the gel polish have been filed, and make sure to use the side of the La Zebra nail file with the least amount of grit. Take a remover wrap, tear it open, and remove the back sticker. Place your nail inside, making sure the cotton pad is touching the surface of the nail. Tightly wrap the nails to ensure an airtight fit. Bonus tip, to prevent air from entering and to keep everything in place, use our remover clips. Now, let the nails soak for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the clips and wraps. You will see that the gel has cracked and lifted. Use our remover tool to glide off the remaining gel polish. If there is any stubborn remaining gel on the nail, you can use a new remover wrap to soak the nail for a few more minutes until it lifts. After removing the gel polish, use a nail cleanser to remove any remaining dust and gel from your nails. Now your nails are clean and ready for another manicure.